Creating exquisite jewelry starts with a perfect 3D printed wax pattern. From here, we transform it into metal through 5 streamlined steps. Step 1. Assemble the wax tray. Mount the wax tray inside the casting flask. Step 2. Mix the investment powder and water evenly in the powder mixer. Then pour the slurry into the flask. Step 3. While the furnace sinters the mold and bakes up the wax, melt the metal charge. Once complete, take the mold from the furnace. Step 4. Inject the molten metal into the plaster mold with the casting machine. Step 5. Clean the castings. And thus, the intricate jewelry piece is ready.